Hey everyone, it's Teamwork Irvin here. Welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how to trade USD Canadian like a pro. Just on this particular pair, guys, we have over 305 pips just on USD Canadian. So what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna show you how to look into our dashboard. Also, I'm gonna let you know how to look into our multiple time frame, how to look into our TWE sniper entry, and how to look into the real-time trend. In addition to that, I'm gonna show you when and how I entered into the trade. All right, so let me show you. But welcome back on this video, and let's get to work. So hopefully everything will make sense. All right, here it is. Just pay attention, guys. Market in this particular trade is super bullish. Always pay attention to your dashboard. Your dashboard, it is very important for you when you are trading on the market. Always, no matter what, always pay attention to the dashboard. Look at that, boom. It's telling you that every single time frame it is in a buy position from the daily to 1 minute. The next thing that you must look into our system is always pay attention what your multiple time frame is letting you know. And here was letting us know that we were in a buy position. So why would not take a buy position? Then I saw here, guys, the market it's also giving us a what? It's giving us this is our TWE sniper entries, letting us know that we also were in a buy position. Then our multiple time frame white arrow also pop in our favor, guys, letting us know, hey Irvin, I'm in a buy position. What do you want to do? You want to sell? Because you're gonna lose the you're gonna blow your account if you put a sell. Then all I have to do is put that buy position. The benefit on this one is that we start seeing the stair going in the same direction of the trend. The trend here is super clean bullish. Look at how simple, guys, how simple it is to use our multiple time frame system. There's no magic, nothing like that. And look at the benefit. The benefit is the market was told us that we were in a buy position, and it's still then in a buy position. Look at how many pips we are collecting at this present time. This is real time. 312 pips, guys. When I make the thumbnail, it was only 305 pips. So we have an additional 7 extra pips just on this particular pair. Look at the benefit. The benefit is amazing. But now, this is how I ended on the trade. But do me a favor, guys, before we move on, I just want to make sure I do clarify something real quick. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader. I'm just here to show you how I collect hundreds and hundreds of pips trading multiple time frame in favor of our TWE sniper entry. And please, guys, the most important thing about this Forex disclaimer is to not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, that is very important. And make sure, guys, do me a day favor. If this is your first time to our channel, welcome back. And make sure you hit the bell notification below so you will never ever miss any video from us. Anyway, the videos here are free. They're not gonna cost you anything. The only thing that is not free is our system, our multiple time frame. And please let me know in the comment below if you are finding this type of video helpful. So if it is, then let me know so I will continue making videos like this. All right, so but before we move on, guys, let's do one thing. Let's move right now we have our trailing stop active just on this particular pair. But I'm gonna tell you when I ended on this pair because it is very important, to be honest. So we're gonna move this. We're gonna give it 60 pips. What about 60 pips? Let's do 60 pips. So if we move to 60 pips, we are securing just on this pair 507 pips. So right now the market has $3,000 in there. There's $3,000 at this present time, but we're gonna leave it on 500 $5. So we're looking here to collect, you know, maybe 500 pips. But what I'm seeing here, guys, market may do the following. But let me show you where I enter, because it's very important. Remember, rule number 1 is always pay attention to your dashboard. Rule number 2, multiple time frame. Rule number 3, your TW is 9-pip entry. If you have the multiple time frame white arrow on your favor, that's a plus. And then look at the stair, boom, boom, boom. But now the question here is, Irvin, where did you enter on the trade? Well, that is very important, guys. This is what, remember, when I entered on the trade, all this information did not exist. All I had was data letting me know the market here was giving me a buy position. Then what I did, guys, was the following. So I just look on my real-time trend. The real-time trend at that present time was giving me an indication the market was in a buy position. And this is when I entered on the market, right in here. Boom! I entered and I say, I'm in, let's go. And then the market start going sour a bit. And then what happened? Because the market, guys, one thing, the market will never put you in profit right away, because we don't control the market. You're always gonna go into a negative mode for a minute. Maybe, you know, for 15, 20 pips, you're always gonna go into a negative. Then things will work out in your favor. Then what happened was, in here, guys, look at here, our TWE trend candle pop in a favor. And then what happened? Boom! Look at that massive bullish position that we are in at this present time. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. So this is how I entered, to be honest, on this particular trade, and that's what we are collecting, you know, over 300 pips. Guys, if I had to reanalyze this pair all over again, I would say the market is gonna do the following, guys. I'm here real time. I would say the market will do the following. Market at this present time will drop low, maybe to our maybe our 1.23435 level. It will drop, make a small pullback. This is a pullback, then we'll continue as bullish position, because the market here is bullish. So about all I can see right now, guys, is the market is gonna give us a bullish position. All right, so but look at that. So we are over 305 pips just on this particular pair, guys. Trading multiple time frame is super easy. There's no magic on it. Come and join us if you want to. If not, it's fine. And guys, one thing that I have to remind everyone is, please always check the news. No matter what you are gonna be doing on this business, guy, it is very important for you to check the news, because if you don't check the news, things will not work out on your favor. All right, so and you can check it on our website, guys. On the description of the video is our website. There is a tab where it says news market. We use the news in there. So I mean, come and join us if you have never. Let me see if I can bring it up, guys. So oops, I think I screwed up in here. Oh gosh, what did I do? All right, here's our website, guys. Always come to the website, to TWE4system.com, and come in where it says market news. We use my FX book, so always click where it says news economic calendar. That will help you tremendously, and that will give you all the news that are during the week. So today is Friday, so it tells you all the news and so on. And we don't have no data yet for Monday, I think. Oh yeah, look at that, Monday June 21st. The data is already there. Oh wow, I didn't even know. Looking for next week. Next week data is already here, guys. So yeah, so we use my FX book. So come in. It is here, guys. It is on our website. It's the second tab. If you want to grab our multiple time frame, there it is. So come and join us, and boom, if you want to pay with Bitcoin, also you can do that. All right. So hopefully you guys are finding value of this video, guys. Please let me know in the comment below if you have any question. So I will be more than happy to help you. So thank you guys again for coming in. And remember, today I was just showing you how I was collecting over 305 pips trading USD Canadian like a pro. This is really, guys, this is how you trade, you know, USD Canadian like a pro. Really, this is how you trade. All right. Thank you guys. God bless you, and God bless our beautiful nation. Stay safe. Hasta la vista. Bye bye.